Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your gutters. This is a small section of a typical gutter that you'll find on the outside of your house. The easiest way to clean them is you're going to either need a ladder. You're going to need a ladder either way, to either get on top of your house or a step ladder and just move around your house. It's one of two ways. If you choose to get on top of your roof, you can just get up there with a water hose. And if you'll look inside the gutter, all it is just a little track to hold water to keep it from getting all over the place. And all you do is just squirt it out, and you just squirt it in the direction of your downspout. And what you'll do is you'll just push all those leaves and water and debris, and you'll go ahead and push that stuff out, and then it'll just go on down your downspout. If you don't want to do it like that, you can take just a little small hand broom. And you just get up on top of there, and all you got to do is just sweep the leaves out, sweep the debris out, and just clean that stuff out of there. A lot of times there'll be little bitty rocks inside of there from your shingles, and they'll start collecting, and they'll actually start holding leaves and sticks and stuff. So it's a good idea to go ahead and just spray it out with a water hose and go ahead and get all that debris out of there.